Hello, I'm Cliff Munson with Rotovac. Take a few minutes to watch this training video and I'm going to cover some very important tips and pointers on how to use and maintain your CFX properly. The CFX continuous flow extractor has an upper half and a lower half. Now the upper half houses your two vacuum motors and your empty pump. The lower half is your dirty water recovery tank. As the dirty water recovery tank starts to fill up with water, there's a float switch in there that activates the empty pump to automatic empty. Now on the front of your machine you see you have your vacuum hose attachment. On the back of the CFX you have your three switches. There's two vacuum motor switches and your empty pump switch. Now to take the CFX apart, just undo these two latches and lift the top half straight up. Now what you have down here, these are your two vacuum motor filter screens. You want to make sure these stay clean. And this third screen here is your empty pump screen. You want to make sure that stays clean. Now this steel tube you see right here, that's your float switch tube. And the end of the tube under this protector is your float switch. To remove the protector, twist and just pull it off. And under here you'll see, here's where your float switch is. Now the float switch, as it floats up, turns on the empty pump, and as it goes back down, it turns off the empty pump. So during proper operation, you'll notice your pump is turning on and off, on and off. Now you want to make sure that this stays clean and free of any debris that could stop it from sliding up and down. It needs to slide up and down freely in order to activate the empty pump. Always make sure you replace the empty pump float switch protector on the end of the tube. So you have your two vacuum screens and your empty pump screen and your float switch tube. Now the bottom half of the CFX, this is your dirty water recovery tank basically. You have two view windows on the side so you can see if it's properly operating. And inside here we have our dirty water intake tube with a filter bag on it. Now this filter bag, this will catch any carpet, lint, hair, fiber, things of that nature. And it comes right off by undoing this little string, and you can bring it right off the end of the tube and keep this clean. Now this